one. Now let me tell you how do you select who can see your profile pic avatar, which I told you how to put on profile pic in the last video, right? Now I will tap on privacy in the settings option and scroll it down, and I see option of avatar stickers. When I tap there, I have three options: select contacts, nobody, or everyone. If I tap on select contacts, I can select the contacts whom I want to show my profile pic avatar. Only those people will be visible with this avatar profile pic. I can select it and I can remove them anytime I want. If I tap on everyone, everyone can see it. Everyone means here my contacts. It is mentioned my contacts, and only my contacts can see, else nobody, as your choice. And these three options are the main that you have for the visibility of your avatar. If you and a contact allow this for each other, sticker featuring your avatar with their avatar will be visible, and this we will explore in another video. Ta-da!